Hi friends, Terry here with 31, and I am here to talk briefly about the opportunity kits that we have available. A lot of you know my story. I joined 31 January 1st, 10 years ago. I joined for the kit, for the discount, and because my wish list was huge. I never in a million years thought I would still be doing this today, but I am, and I'm loving it, and it's the income that's provided for my family, it's the friendships I've made, the connections I've made with other women, and it's just been a true blessing in my life. So we have 4 kit options, and I'm going to show those to you right here. We have the basic, we have on the go, we have at home, and we have the Goal Getter kit. So check those out. They're all great deals if you're looking for a new opportunity for the new year, if you're looking to make connections and friendships with people. I highly recommend it. It really has touched my life in so many ways. Everything will come in a pink box. You'll get catalogs, you'll get order forms. And a friend of mine just joined. I have her brand new opportunity kit for spring that I'm super excited to share with you guys. So stay tuned. And if you have any interest in looking at doing something for 2023, please reach out to me and I would love to share this opportunity with you. Okay, see you soon.